Now, Terra Luna Classic hasn't been as active or as explosive over the last 24 hours as it was basically 48 and 72 hours ago, and people are already wondering, was that it? Is it done? I mean, was that the move to the upside? Guys, have a little patience, okay? And I want to talk about this because we are in such a I guess, please me now type of a mentality and type of a state that if you don't make 100x on your money overnight, that it's not worth getting into. We're still up basically triple from where we were a couple of days ago in Terra Luna Classic, and I want to talk about why we might not be seeing some of the explosive price action that we saw just 48, 72 hours ago, and whether or not it can return. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks in crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting free stocks. $1 crypto trade, you're getting $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want $50 in Bitcoin, you've got a link for Voyager down there. Make a $100 trade, you're getting $50 in Bitcoin. And then you can actually earn 13+% annualized interest just by holding your crypto on the platform. You don't have to stake it, you don't have to lock it, any of that stuff. Guys, Terra Luna Classic has been trending across social media platforms like crazy for the last 3, 4, 5 days. And before that, I mean, it was still getting a lot of attention because of what happened with Do Kwon and the price of Terra Luna Classic, you know, spiraling out of control and dropping from $100 to 0.000002. And we're here where we are now, and we're still 3 times higher than where we were just a couple of days ago, but the excitement seems to be fading. The traders out there are wondering, oh, well, was that it? Guys, a 200% gain is incredible, but no, I don't think that that was it, and I do think that we can continue to have massive price gains in the future for Terra Luna Classic, and I want to go over why. We need catalysts, okay? And we have not seen anything recently surrounding any burn updates. We have not seen anything recently other than the anonymous message that came out saying that they will be investigating what Do Kwon has done. We have not seen anything recently in the last basically 24 to 48 hours that would have caused the price to spike up even higher. Now, as soon as Anonymous announces something, well, let's be a little bit more clear. If Anonymous announces that they have uncovered something surrounding Do Kwon, if it is good news for Terra Luna Classic, and not that, well, Do Kwon did nothing wrong, Terra Luna Classic is a bad coin, and, you know, if they were to come up with something like that. So, assuming they find good news, if we spiked up like we did on the previous news, we will absolutely spike up again on new news. It's just a matter of finding that catalyst to drive Terra Luna Classic higher. And I'm sorry that it hasn't come out in the last 24 hours. Like, I'm sorry that the price is maintaining these incredible levels. But a lot of people always look to the negative, like, well, dude, we only 3x. You know, we should be going higher than that. We hit 16,000 points per coin. I wanted to hit 6 cents per coin. What are we doing here, man? We need to roll higher. We're still maintaining support levels. Guys, you have to look at the positive in every situation. It's impossible to only ever go up and never pull back. People take profits. Coin prices are fluctuating. Stock prices fluctuate. It's never a single direction line that says, you know, this is it. You're never going to lose any money. You're never going to see any pullbacks. It's naive to think that that's the direction that coin prices or stock prices will go. And Terra Luna Classic is no different. But the good news is Terra Luna Classic is supporting these price increases. We had resistance at 10,000 points per coin. We broke it. We ran to 12. From 12, we ran to 15. From 15, we ran to the upper 16s. 15 held on the way down for a little while, and 12 seems to be holding up now. I know we're slightly under, but these ranges or these support levels are a range. It's not a guaranteed line in the sand. You're just going to find more support or more resistance when you reach those levels. And to see Terra Luna Classic holding up at 12,000 points per coin, knowing that it was in the 4,000 to 5,000 range just a couple of days ago, is an incredible performance by the traders and by the holders and by the lunatics that are out there supporting Terra Luna Classic. Now, I know everybody wants to know, well, how high is it going to go? Can it reach a penny? Can it reach $1? You see $1 all over social media, wondering if Terra Luna Classic is going to hit $1. Everybody wants to be a millionaire, right? Nobody wants to look at the fact that Terra Luna Classic has 6.5 trillion coins outstanding, and there'll be a $6.5 trillion valuation, which is extremely naive to believe we'll get there without any major burns. But let's talk about reclaiming its old value, because I do see a lot of that flowing out. Will Terra Luna Classic reclaim its old value? Now, it's an interesting statement, because I'm sure a lot of people think $100. It's going to go back to $100 to reclaim its old value. Well, there are so many new coins outstanding now that its old value is roughly 0.008, 0.009, maybe even 0.007. And that will depend on how many coins are burnt, but that is still, guys, that is still a 60x increase from where we are right now. I believe it's roughly 62x or so. But for every dollar that you invest, if Terra Luna Classic does return to its old valuation, now you got to remember, you're looking at market cap here, you're not looking at price. If Terra Luna Classic returns to its old valuation, for every dollar you invest, you will have $60. If you invested $1,000, you'll have $60,000. And if you invested $2,000, you'll have $120,000. If you invested, $10,000, you would have $600,000. And a lot of people might think, wow, dude, I wanted to go out there and invest $5 and walk away with $3 million. Well, we all would. I mean, we all would love that. And that would happen if it reaches prices like $1, $2, $5, and so on. But you still have to remain optimistic, yes, but also remain realistic in the sense that if we expect to see multi-trillion-dollar valuations on single assets, we're either going to need to wait a long time or something fantastic is going to need to happen. But nonetheless, guys, a 60x gain to reclaim old value would be incredible from the prices we're at right now. And think about it. If it drops back down to that 500 point per coin range or 5,000 point per coin range, you're talking tripling that. So you're talking 120, 180x increase on your money getting in down there, because of course that's the power of exponential growth. Guys, I want to know what you think down in the comments below. What do you think the next catalyst for Terra Luna Classic is going to be, and when do you think we're going to get it? I would say an anonymous announcement would be an excellent catalyst, but I want to know what you guys think. So let us know down there. This button right here is still red. Make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Webull, you're getting I don't know how many free stocks right now, actually, during their, I think their anniversary promo is over with. And then you're getting $50 in Bitcoin on Voyager. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.